In the name of God, this is a presentation of the paper titled Comparative Study of Four Optimization Algorithms for Intelligent Transportation System. In this paper, we have proposed four efficient and recent meta-heuristics for the transportation problems: lane chicken algorithm, LCA, volcano eruption algorithm, COVID-19 optimizer algorithm, and multiverse algorithm as a very efficient and recent meta-heuristics to solve the problem. First of all, I wanted to talk about a little bit around, meta-heuristics, which is inspired from some phenomena and scientific theories in the science or maybe behavior of animal and stuff like that. Particle swarm optimization, ant-colony optimization, artificial bee colony, genetic algorithm, beta algorithm, social spider optimization, firefly algorithm. Natural neural networks are the most important and famous algorithm in this area. For example, ant colony optimization tries to inspire the behavior of the ants to find food and bring it to the nest. This algorithm has been proposed for discrete optimization problems like network optimization and problems like shortest path or traveling salesman. And this algorithm, the behavior of the ant, which try to finding a shortest path to getting food to nest, has been inspired and simulated. Yeah, the formulation of or mathematical formula of that is has been proposed here, and the next one is particle swarm optimization or PSO, which has been proposed to solve continuous optimization problems, and the algorithms comes from behavior of swarm animals and how they move together and find food. And and there are three directions and three vectors and position in this algorithm, and we have this formula of the algorithm, and this is a very illustration problem for the showing how the algorithm try to find the optimal solution. All of this is local optimal, but this one is global optimal for the optimization problem, and you can see that the algorithm, how the algorithm can surround the optimal solution. In this paper, we have tried to propose four recent and efficient algorithms. The first one is lane chicken algorithm. This algorithm has been inspired and simulated the behavior of the hen to convert eggs to the chickens, and in this simulation eggs converts to feasible solution, and chickens is just like optimal solution. And the simulation of the problem is like this, that we have an initial solution and many solutions around that, and so blue points are not better than initial solution, but red points are all better than that. I'm talking about objective function of the solutions, and the next iteration we will try to move this blue to the other side and the direction of the gradient, and after just two iteration we have many solutions, and in fact all of solution in the population which are much better, at least better than initial solution. And the next algorithm is Volcano eruption algorithm, which has been inspired and simulated from the behavior of volcano, which this phenomenon of the come from the ground to the earth, and this phenomenon has been inspired and simulated by the algorithm. Mathematical simulation is just like this. We have some initial solutions, and after a while we have an explosion of the space, and in the next step we have some solutions which we come down and finding just for optimal or better solution at least. The next one is COVID-19 optimizer algorithm, how this pandemic tried to get all solution or space of the region, and we have some optimal solution. The blue points are optimal solutions. This black point is the initial solution which this algorithm has been started from, and after a while we can see that all optimal solution has been surrounded by the solutions. The next one is multiverse, which has inspired from a scientific theory in physics. We have multiverse and several big bangs, and the simulation like that. We have lots of initial solutions, and in the next step all of this solution will be exploded in the space, and in the last step optimal solution will be surrounded by the solution by providing by the algorithm. The problem of the paper is transportation, just simple transportation. This is a mathematical formulation of that, and we have proposed and convert all algorithms from continuous, because as you see, the proposed algorithm was just for continuous problems in optimization. We have convert and proposed for in discrete problems. This is a pseudocode of LCA lane chicken algorithm for transportation problem, which has been proposed here. And the next one is a pseudocode of volcano eruption algorithm. Again, we have converted from continuous version to discrete, because as you know, transportation problem is a network optimization problem, so discrete anyway. And the next one is CVA or COVID optimizer, which has been proposed just for transportation problem. And finally, we have converted multiverse algorithm to the transportation problem. This is a pseudocode of the problem, which all the format is for discrete optimization problems. So again, this is a results for a given problems in continuous version, and this is a LCA lane chicken and volcano eruption and multiverse and COVID optimizer, but just as an example for illustrate how this algorithm works. And anyway, the transportation is a discrete, and here we have converted to work for these problems. Again, this is a behavior of algorithms to finding optimal solutions for the problem. the feasible solution, feasible basic solution for the transportation and the iterations. Lane chicken after around 90 iterations can get the optimal solution for the problem. And this one is CVA, which can get optimal solution around 130 iterations. And finally, volcano eruption algorithm and also multiverse algorithm has been simulated, and you can see that after approximately 80 and 120 iterations, the optimal solution of the problem has been proposed. Again, this is a results for 5 iterations which we have in the paper. As you see, the lane chicken algorithms is very efficient for problems which has a small sizes, and on the other hand, we have CVA problems, algorithms which works strongly for large size of the problems. And finally, the again results for 20 iterations. So the results is again same as the 5 iterations. CVA is very efficient for large sizes, and LCA is suitable for medium or short size. Thank you so much.